All of us have to be clear about two things right now. One, I will not get infected. Two, in case I get infected, I'll make sure I will not spread it to anybody else. How do I not get infected? The government has given very, very simple rules, right? One, wear your mask in all public places. Two, wash your hands with soap, sanitizer whenever you can. Three, maintain social distance. There are also a few things they say you must avoid. One, avoid congested places. Avoid places without windows where there's no air circulation. Avoid crowded places. In fact, more than 2 or 3 people do not meet unless absolutely necessary. Avoid close contact with anybody. These are the 6 basic rules. When you follow this, the chances of you getting infected are extremely minimum. You stay away from corona. You stay away from COVID. In case you get infected, how do you stop the spread of infection? How do you know you're infected first? Whenever you get a doubt. See, you've been living with this body since birth, right? It gives you signals. It tells you, hey, something is wrong, right? When you develop a dry cough, and then a headache, and then a fever, you feel tired, your knee joints, your elbows are paining. Anything like this could be a symptom. So please get tested. Where do you get tested? There are private hospitals, but then there are government primary health centers. If there are 191 wards in Bangalore, there are 141 primary health centers. They have a staff of 10, 15 each. It's an extremely convenient place for you to go and get yourself tested. And there are 70 mobile units. So whenever you have a doubt, if your body sends signals, please go and get yourself tested. Once you get tested, what should you do? Even before the test results come, please isolate yourself. Stay away from people, because in case you're positive, you could be spreading the disease, right? So stay away from people. Wait for the results. The results come. The result is negative. No issue. All okay. In case it is positive, what is the first thing you do? Don't get scared. Don't worry. I've told you before, 95% of the COVID positive get okay in due course. It's like the cough or the cold you got last year, right? It used to come, it used to go. It'll be like that. So don't worry. All you have to do is isolate yourself. If you have a separate room in the house, please isolate yourself there. In case that's not convenient, the government has COVID care centers. There are 6, 7 of them all over Bangalore. There are hundreds of beds there. You can occupy one. I mean, it'll be like a house. There's a bed, there's bathroom facility, there's a doctor and nurse attending you. All that they do during home isolation or this COVID care center is observe you. Observe if the symptoms are coming down. In most of the cases, in 5 to 7 days, the symptoms reduce, people become normal again. In case it worsens. By worsening, I mean if your blood oxygen level comes below 95% to 92, 91, you need oxygen. So they get an ambulance, transport you to hospital. If things worsen further, there is always an ICU waiting for you. There are doctors and nurses who will attend to you. That's all it is. So all that you have to do right now, take care of yourself, take care of health, make sure that you don't get infected, and make sure that you do not spread the infection.